Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show how to create group in Moodle. Before that, why we need to create the group in Moodle? The purpose of the group is, suppose we have two sections of students like section A and section B. In Moodle we have total 138 number of students or 140 number of students. For that we need to divide the students into two groups for giving assignments to the students and share the materials to the students. And also, suppose we have a lab courses. In the lab courses, we are dividing several batches of students. So for that, we need to divide the students into several groups. So that is the purpose we need to create group in Moodle. So let's see how to create group in Moodle. So for that I am going to log in to my site. After login, I am going to my course. After that I am going to go to the gear menu, turn editing on. So for creating group, here the left hand side there is a link called participants. I am going to click this link. After clicking the link, there is a gear menu here. Click the gear menu. There is a group option here. So first click the group option. After clicking the group option, so here first we need to create the group. So for that I am going to click the group button. So here first we need to give the group name. Say example section A, second civil A section, and if you want you can give the group ID also. So this is optional. Group name is mandatory. Group ID and other things are optional. So suppose I am giving second civil engineering A. So if you want to give the description, you can give it in the group description box. So otherwise you can leave it as blank. And the enrollment key, if you want, you can give. So what is enrollment key? So here the description of this enrollment key is given here. If you want, you can go through it. And group messaging, if you want, you can give yes. Otherwise, keep it as no. So these are all the default things. And you can, if you want a group picture, you can keep a group picture for this section. So these are all optionals. If you want, you can keep it the group picture and other things. So after giving all the details, I am going to save changes. So the created group is available here, and also I am going to create one more group. So group name second civil engineering B section, second CE B. So after giving this, just hit the save changes button. So after creating the groups, that is second civil A and second civil B, here now there is no students in these two groups. Now I am going to add students in this any one of the group, or if you have two classes means one faculty may handle A section and other faculty may handle B section. Suppose the faculty handling A section, they can add the students in the respective A section. So how to do that? Let's see. So here there is an add or remove users. You can just click it. So after clicking this button, so here there is a list available. The total number of students. Suppose for a course, say example, I am taking concrete technology as a course. In that course, there are total number of students, both A and B. Say example, 138 students means you need to choose your own students. The list is available here. You need to add the students. For that, you can search, say example, second year students means it may be a 18 BCE. You can just give 18 BCE. So the thing is filtered here. So after that, you can add the student. You can select the student. So for example, for this particular course, there is one teacher and one student because it is a demo course. So I am going to select these two people in a section, that is second civil A section. For that, you can just press the control button and click what are the students you want. You can just click control press and just click here. There is a add button. You just add. So here the one teacher and students has been transferred to this group members. After that, that's all. No need to save. You can just go back. So in second year civil A section, there are two members are there, one teacher, one student. And if you want, you have a bunch of list, means you can add A section student and B section student separately. So that's it. This is how to create the group in Moodle. And now I am going to how this group will reflect in the student window. So suppose I am giving one assignment to the student. I would like to, this assignment will be show only to the my own section students, that is A section students. So for that, I am going to while creating the assignment, I am going to restrict the access to the respective group of students. So let me do that. How to do share the assignment for a particular group of students. For that, I am going to the course. Suppose now I am going to share this assignment to my class students. Suppose I am taking handling class for A section. I am going to share this assignment to my A section student. So for that, go to edit settings. After clicking the edit settings button, the window will look like this. I am directly come to here. There is restrict access, add restriction. So here there is a button called group. So I am going to click this button group. So here choose the group. I already created two groups. If you give any group, means this will this assignment will show in both the group students. So I want only my own class students. I need to share this assignment, so that I am going to second civil A section. That's it. After that, save and return to the course. So after giving this restriction, so here there is a message available. There is restricted assignment number 1, not available unless you belongs to second civil engineering A section students. But this message is available for both the students, but the B section student cannot able to open this assignment because this is restricted only to the second year civil engineering A section students. So let me check in the students window how it look like this. So for that, I am going to student window. I am clicking the course. So the assignment is available for to this particular student because this student belongs to A section. Suppose I am going to change this settings. I am going to restrict to the B section student. So edit settings. So here again I am going to restrict access. So I am going to change this second civil engineering B section. So here there is student must match the following. You may also must not match the following, means this is not available to B section students. I am giving must match the following. After giving that, I am going to give save and return to the course. So here not available unless you belongs to second civil engineering B section. Let me check in student window. I am refreshing this page. see here this assignment is visible, but the student cannot able to open because this student belongs to section A, but it is available only for civil engineering B section student. So this is the purpose of the creating group in Moodle. So by using this group option, you can divide the section into two, A and B, because the total strength available in both the sections available in your course. So if you need to give the separate assignment, separate materials to your respective class students, means you can make the group using this video presentation. And suppose if you are handling lab courses, means the lab courses may be an number of groups, maybe 6 to 7 groups, each group having 4 students, so that you can categorize the group as group 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and you can add the student in the respective group, so that you can run the lab using this group option. So that's it. Until that, bye bye. Thank you very much. Thank you all.